Hi all, it's Michelle. Okay, so the lip combo I have on right now is Cola and Sweet Nothing. And that is on my wrist right here with Fussy by Fenty on top. Okay, so I am going to show you the lip combo I had on earlier. And my lips are so dry, y'all. I'm sorry, I don't have to put on a little lip moisturizer again. And just gonna blot that off. Dry. We're gonna go in with Cola. And I'm going to fill it in with Love Me. This is like the perfect pink warm shade. And just kind of blot your lips together, blend it in, make it look seamless. And then take your finger and just blend it out. There we go. Gloss. And whatever is on the doe foot is what I used, and I just make sure to really concentrate it at the top and the sides. Just to give it that full look. And I already have full lips, child, so it's not like I had to try that hard. But that's neither here nor there. That's a little trick for you if you want your lips to look a little fuller without overdrawing. You can just apply your lip gloss more so towards the top of your lip, towards your cupid's bow, and at the bottom. And it'll definitely give you that effect. All right, so I hope this video helped you decide on the Luxe Lip Liners by Juvia's Place that you want to get. There's something for every single skin tone, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know you like this video by giving me a like and subscribe to the channel because so much more is coming and I appreciate all of your support. Adios. Besos.